So what are we doing here?
So today I picked up this pretty cool thing from GameStop. Alright, so we have this. We actually have a lot of these. So they had these at GameStop. They were doing this clearance sale. You can see they were only $1.97. Now typically these packs are like $4, $5 I think, just because they have a promo holo and a coin. It's not really worth it. This was the only one that actually had anything that was marked down. And even technically still, whenever I brought it up, they just said that it got knocked back up. Well, no, we'll just honor the price on there. So if I had gone and got them like tomorrow, they probably would have been marked back up to $4. So it's a good thing I got them while I still could. And this bag thing, you fill up this bag here, which is $2. You get everything in it, 25% off. And so as you can see, they have they all have Pikachu freaking coins.
Not all of them.
Yeah, they all have Pikachu coins. They're all Pikachu coins. Only 2 promos you get from the Sun and Moon packs. So we have 10 of these things. So I'm gonna show you the contents of this one. Alright, so the contents in this, I thought there were 2 cards, but there's a promo card, there's the promo, and then there's a code. If you want the thing, you can have it. No, they can figure it out. So from what I heard in Sun and Moon, like they have, so if you could see this, it has white around this.
So you should have a hyper rare in there, right?
No. If it was all green, then usually that meant it was bad. Like people got absolute utter garbage, like complete shit. But then if it was white, like then that was at least a holo. We're gonna get to unpacking these. So we have the first pack here, Sun and Moon. It has that freaking weird thing on it. I don't know what the hell that thing is. So we're gonna open this up. So code card, if you want that, you can have that. It's upside down. Have fun with that. So it's 4.
3.
No, maybe I just saw the energy. Okay, so repel. You got gold bit. Professor Kukui, Cosmog, that's new. Roggenrola.
You bought everything, didn't you?
Sandy Gas. Caterpie. Skarmory. Okay, and then there's the reverse for Skarmory. That's actually really neat. I like that. And then Hariyama for the rare. So, me and Chris are actually doing a competition with the cards here. So I got 10 packs. We're each getting 5. And we're gonna see who got the better pools. The better Puliosis. Right quick. Sorry, this is mine.
Another code card for you turkeys.
It's actually 4 to the front because there's an energy. So there you go, bro.
Metapod, Team Skull Grunt, Pinsir. I actually really like the artwork on this Pinsir. Drowsy, Rowlet. That guy's super cute. Looks like a little penguin in the jungle. Torkoal. Zubat. That's cool because he's pulled the Golbat. Grubbin. Look,
You be grubbing.
Ooh, and a Alolan Rattata. Look at the chompers on that bitch. Oh my god, oh, look at you. You touch this pack. Let me pull an ultra rare. Like,
nice.
Okay, so my wife has this ability to always pull ultra rares. It's retarded. And she was just throwing this pack around acting like a jerk, and then we pull it. So, Gladio GX.
Master.
Look at that attack. Search your deck for up to 5 energy cards and attach them to your Pokemon any way you like, then shuffle your deck. You can only do this once per game. So that Steel Strike, hold on. It takes 3 energies and it does 230 damage, and it's a regular attack.
So, hold on. This was my rare. That was his. I think I definitely won. Alrighty, back to me. So here's a little freaking code card.
You're gonna hear the fan.
Nah. Yeah, that fan is loud.
I always have to turn it off.
Good shit.
When I record.
You live here, you don't know what switch it is, babe.
4 to the front. So I got.
Fuck off the energy.
Fuck off the energy. Got a freaking pig. Bullshit. Pokemon ass. Torcat. See that is one of the thingies. Psycock. Shittin'.
Yeah, you got the whole family.
Cosmog. Roggenrola. I like that artwork actually. That's nice. Ooh, look at that Growlithe, dude.
What's that? We got a reverse.
Oh shit.
I see something big.
Yeah. Oh, Lunala GX. Oh, you just pulled the Solgaleo. I got the other one. Nice.
What the fuck are the odds? These are random packs,
what
too.
the fuck?
So what are the odds of that?
Yeah, you take your little freaking dibbly.
Code. Actually, they're getting 2 codes, right?
Yeah, I gave them both of mine.
So according to his little guideline, this means that this will have jack shit in it.
That's why I don't look at that, so I can have it be a surprise, man.
Energy, ooh, Dragonair. I love the artwork on this card.
Yeah, Dragonair's.
I'm actually really glad we pulled another one of these. And then Golbat. Look at this ass Umian. Zubat, Shelter, Poplio. This guy's cute. But the doll at GameStop of Poplio looks like it has a big old booger hanging out of his mouth.
Yeah, it does.
Paris, Stuffle, and then the reverse is an energy switch, which I guess is cool. Oh, let me save that. Which I guess is cool for like a collector standpoint. Like it looks decent, but who cares? And then a gold die.
Alright, yeah. Code card.
No shit.
Put that down so I don't freaking see it. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Shit ass energy switch. Cat. See? Yeah, that's definitely the thingy. Crushing hammer.
Are you kidding me right now? What the fuck? Hey, you stop!
What happened?
I told you.
Oh my god.
I was trying to prove
She has a fucking gift!
Why didn't you record it on the thing?
I
Fuck!
don't have magic powers.
I got Pippa Keck,
You lost this one. I don't care what you pull.
Carvana, Togedemaru, Chinchou. For the reverse, you have Scutful, and then what shit? Oh!
Okay, it's a tie. I think Lapras GX is better.
No way. What kind of pulls are these? 4 ultra rares in like 5 packs that we've opened. That's ridiculous. It was worth it. It was worth it. It was definitely worth it. So by the way, I spent like $18 on like all of this.
It was 1842. Exactly.
This is pretty damn good. This is the code card. So if it has white on it, that means that you're guaranteed at least a holos. So, bam.
Yep.
Yeah, and then look at that one. Yep, see?
Sandow, Snubble, this fat bitch. Look how cute this Pokemon is. It's like they made it cute for a reason. I don't know why they call it that. Anyways, this reverse Butterfree is actually, I'm really excited about this.
Butterfree!
Whoa! Alright, you guys. And then she got a Poison Barb, which is a fairly rare.
Yeah, a Poison Barb's actually good.
Alright, then this other ass monkey. And here's another code card.
He's out of here.
This bad bitch right here. Look how awesome the artwork on that is.
I like that.
Or not. But I mean, I actually kind of like the artwork on this one. Like, I would play with this card.
Mm-hmm.
I would never play with this card because
no. Look at that.
that's a collector's thing.
Code
And you pulled this. And you pulled this. And that. You didn't pull this.
Code 4 to the front.
Okay.
Fire Energy. EXP Share. Pelipper. Crocobrock. Ooh, Torkoal. Subat. What the hell is... What is that? What the shit?
It's a grubbin. What's a nubbin?
That Growlithe artwork still, Poplio. Dirtly. Ooh. I actually really like that. That looks flipping amaze balls. And then, ooh, for the rare Crabominable. Wait, is that?
It's the Crabominable Snowman.
The Crabominable. No, what the fuck is that thing?
I have so many of those, dude. We couldn't figure it out.
So it's fucking garbage. Your little scrub ass.
Oh, isn't that cute? Okay, let's do
Make
it.
sure not to look at that.
There you
Just
go.
show them.
Another code. 1, 2, 3,
Oh.
4. And I'm gonna have shit this pack.
It's gonna be garbage, guys.
It's gonna be shit.
Watch.
Anyways. Energy,
Fucking
Lily, Splenda, Trainer, EXP Share, Cutie Fly, Dratini. Oh, that's kind of cool. Ooh, I like that work on the Sparrow.
Compared to shit.
It reminds me like of the classic Sparrow a little
There's a
bit.
kitty there.
Psyduck, Eevee. Look at that Stevie.
That is a cool Stevie.
Ooh, we have a reverse Torcat, and then I'm sorry, I already showed you guys the Lantern.
Alright, there's your code
you.
card, you little donkeys.
What are you gonna do with this video?
Freaking upload it. Alright,
So you're gonna start a channel? You're gonna start.
code card. I'm not gonna look at it because I don't want to be spoiled. Besides, who wants to know if they're getting shit or not? That's just an inevitable, like, oh yeah, gonna get shit, so might as well not even open it. Fuck off that energy. Pinsir. Ooh, Rare Candy. That's actually a really good card.
Did you look at? Oh god, that was gross.
Yeah.
Did you look at the color of the code card?
Nope.
Alright.
Brion. Fucking.
You need to hold it closer to the camera.
Yeah, they're close as shit, dude. Okay. Crab. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Ooh, another Stevie.
Yeah, that skill is very nice. Energy evolution. Sandy Gast. Yeah, that's a Pokemon. Alright. Good shit. Oh, I do like that Poliwag. Check that out. The art on that thing. Ooh, reverse Dratini. I actually really like that reverse. And for the rare... What?
What the? What? No! Last pack. Let's go right here. So, here's the code card. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go fuck the energy right in the dick. Let's keep this nice and straight for you turkeys. Alright, so we have Crocorock. We have Psychokumu Kroku. Ooh, double colorless energy. Always need more of those. Uh-oh, sorry. Oh, man, I'm not very good at this. Starmie. Cutie Fly. Drowsy. It's building. It's building. Rowlet. Alolan Grimer. Oh, I'm just kidding. It's a Crocorock. But let's go! Oh! We pulled 2
That's fine.
Solgaleo GXs, which is cool.
Solgaleo GXs. Lunala, Lapras, and Espeon GX. Overall, freaking amazing. I'm really satisfied with this. I didn't think I was going to get as good as pulls as I did.
No, me neither.
This was just an experimental video, you know, just to see how this went. And I think it went pretty well. Pulled great stuff, and we had good content. And I'm going to upload this, and hopefully you guys enjoy. Leave a like, comment if you want to see more stuff like this. I could probably make it happen. Thanks for watching, and see you again sometime. Boom.